Hello guys, welcome to today's talk through video. So today we are going to be using the Morphe Sweet Oasis palette, and I really wanted to create a look that was fun but still somewhat simple, but had a nice pop of color, and I feel this is perfect. It's bronzy and soft on top, it's minty in the middle, and then this beautiful teal underneath. And I find this to be such an easy look to recreate, but also very wearable. Anybody can wear this. Even if you're somebody who's never worn blue or done your makeup like this, you can add just a little bit, but it's honestly a fun way to incorporate color into your makeup routine. So if you guys like what you see right here, go ahead and continue watching. And if you guys have the palette, pull it out and follow along because it is a fun tutorial. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of sandbar. This is gonna be the main color in my crease. It's like this beautiful brown, and just wiggle it in the crease and kind of take it up into the brow bone area. Ooh, breakfast.
Teamwork.
I'm now going to be adding a little bit of primer on my eyelid, and because I'm not cutting the crease, I'm just going to grab this blending brush and kind of move the product throughout my lid. I'm now going to grab the shade Champagne on Ice with the same blending brush, and I'm going to pop this right into the center of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Eyeline Hop and Coastal Cruise and popping that right into the inner corner of my eye. I figured instead of doing the traditional gold that I like to do, we would add a little bit of blue in there instead, switch things up a little bit. Okay, next I'm going to go in and add some mascara. We are going to be doing false lashes, but it is important for me to add mascara before. Some people like to do it after. Personally, before, I feel like I'm really able to style my lashes. It creates like a little lift as well. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lashes for this look. Wow, guys, an eyelash really changes it up for me. And these are perfect because they're nice and soft and wispy, and it really doesn't take away from the eye makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and add my favorite foundation, just doing a couple drops of this to even out my skin tone. And I'm gonna be using a kabuki brush to buff out my foundation. This is gonna give me a flawless airbrush finish on my skin, and I feel like I get more coverage this way as well. Next, I'm gonna be adding some concealer. This is going to even out my under eyes and also brighten it up as well. So I went ahead and added my blush, bronzer, and setting powder off camera, and I'm now going to get into my under eye makeup. So for my under eyes, I'm going to be going in with the shade Infinity Pool, Hidden Cove, and Secret Lagoon, mixing all three of them to create like a very blended, smoky under eye. I love doing this. I find by just adding one color, it can look a little harsh, you know, so really want everything to look like it's gradually blending and flowing together. So I'm gonna start off with the lightest shade of the teal, which is Infinity Pool. It's like this beautiful teal. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that color and place it directly in the center of my eye and then start tapping left and right. I try to be very gentle on my under eyes. I avoid smudging the brush around because that can really tug your under eyes. So to be more gentle, you can tap and still get the same results. So now with the flat brush, I'm gonna be going in with the shade Hidden Cove and Secret Lagoon. And I'm using a really flat brush for this to go as close as I can to my lash line. And all we're gonna do is tap it on there, and from there it's gonna gradually fade on its own into the lower lash shade. Woo-hoo. I love it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and dust everything off and come back to finish my lips. So I went ahead and did my lip color. I used the Sweet Tea Lip Pencil as well as just a nude liquid matte lipstick. And I'm now gonna be going in with my favorite gloss from the Lip Trio set, which is called Shimmy. It's a perfect, beautiful, kind of like peachy apricot nude. Has a little bit of shimmer in there as well. So that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. What do you guys think about it? I need to know down in the comments below how you guys feel about the look and if you would wear something like this. I will see you guys later. Bye.